sol. Ahora caen, huele un montón. El mejor queso, es del lado del río. El lado del río es aquí en Iowa.
Hey Bozo, just want to let you know, this is your financial aid officer. Your aid has just been revoked, so, find the money. Yeah, sorry, loser. See ya.
So we need to cook. You have to call me out here to tell me that.
We need to up our game. Better ingredients, better bread. We need to find a day to drive out and perfect the grilled cheese. Because right now, we're not cooks. We're cooked.
Whoa, what brought this on? Yesterday you were talking about leaving the business, passing the torch. What happened, man?
I am awake.
What?
Find a car for tomorrow. We cook at dawn. And don't forget the butter.
Yo, how am I supposed to get all this stuff by tomorrow? Dude, I can't do that. Dude, last time we got that butter, we got in trouble with the Amish people. Bro!
We're gonna cook on this. Well, it's sort of hard to find someone who can lend you a car for an entire day. Did you get what I asked you for? Yes, I did. I even went to McNally's to get the most expensive stuff they had. I had some trouble getting the butter. Yeah, whatever. Did you bring protection? Protection? We're making grilled cheese. How much protection do you need? We are trying to make the perfect grilled cheese, and in order to do that, we need to ensure there are no contaminants. It must be pure, understand? Well, yeah, whatever. Fine. We'll stop along the way. But we're running late. Oh.
How's this? It's an hour drive from town. Self-service is 0. It's perfect.
What about those silos? What if someone goes and checks on those today, huh?
Dude, you're being paranoid. And either way, I don't think I've ever seen anybody up there. So
All right. But if we get caught, it's on you.
Jesus, man, you've been in my case since yesterday. Chill out.
I am not chilling out, man. This has to go perfectly.
Do you think you're the only one whose financial aid has been cut? I've been busting my ass on D-Hall every single day. Do you think it's easy on that fucking dish line? People leave fucking chopsticks, fucking forks in the cups. Dude, it's fucking pain.
Just help me get set up. We don't eat that. That's for our customers.
But how are we gonna know if it's any good?
Because we're professionals. Do you think the D-Hall chef takes a bite of the baked ziti? Nah, he just knows that shit's gas. No, we can't have it. You can't get high on your own supply. How did you say you got that butter again?